DoNation is the Health Resources and Services Administration's campaign that is uniting America's workforce in support of organ, eye, and tissue donation. DoNation partners use the campaign scorecard to earn recognition for conducting activities to sign up new donors. This video will show you how to download, fill out, and submit the DoNation campaign scorecard. To get started, visit the Outreach Materials Library on organdonor.gov. Locate the current campaign year scorecard in the Materials Library, select the file link, and save the PDF to your computer. For ease of use, the DoNation scorecard is a fillable form. That means you can fill out the scorecard on your computer using freely available PDF software. Please complete all fillable fields on page 1 of the scorecard. On page 2, add a goal for new donor signups. Simply setting a goal earns you 25 scorecard points. Meeting the goal earns another 50. Then record the number of times you complete each listed scorecard activity. You can also enter up to 4 of your own unique activities. As activities are recorded, the scorecard will automatically tally points toward recognition. When all activities have been recorded, partners should follow instructions from their donation organization or email the file to donation@HRSA.gov by September 30th. Please do not submit scanned copies of handwritten scorecards, and do not combine scorecards from several workplaces into one file. Donation organizations submitting scorecards for several workplaces can compress scorecards into one or more zip files for easy submission. File sharing links work too. Keep scorecards separate and in their original format so we can process scorecards faster and get you recognition certificates sooner. After a scorecard is processed, certificates are provided within 30 days to the donation organization contact listed on the scorecard. If you have questions about the DoNation campaign scorecard, email donation@HRSA.gov. Thank you for being a DoNation partner, and good luck with your campaign.